Bitcoin posted a strong bullish performance during Friday's session, reaching an all-time high, while Ethereum suffered a significant drop, ending the day with double-digit losses and a multi-day losing streak. Bitcoin hit a new ATH at $126,293, with prices closing near $121,200 after high volatility and a weekly gain of over 10%. Strong supports were established at $108,150 to $105,000, with resistance now at ATH levels. Technical momentum was bullish across all timeframes, confirmed by the 200, 50, and 20 SMAs. But oscillators indicated some exhaustion after the rally. Derivatives data showed rising open interest and positive funding, with liquidations mainly hitting short positions, a typical squeeze after a breakout to new highs. Key trading zones emerged: distribution zone between $126,350 to $127,600, and accumulation zone at $108,200 to $106,500. Sentiment was very optimistic, but institutional inflows started slowing, suggesting caution is warranted for further upside. Short-term price scenarios, staying above $119,345, targets $124,255 to $126,300. Breaking it risks $117,500 to $108,200 zone tests. Ethereum fell over 10% to $3,883.39, its lowest since early August, marking the worst four-day streak in months, and a weekly loss of 14.41%. The session saw Ethereum breach critical supports and lose momentum, closing just above its intraday low of $3,881.48. Technical outlook suggested a short-term bearish trend, with selling pressure lingering after a break below the key moving averages. Chart pattern forecasts called for an initial bullish correction attempt toward the $4,445 resistance, but with a likely renewed decline targeting the $3,975 region, and even lower if downside persists. Ethereum's losing streak was the longest since September 2025, and the session's drop was the largest single-day percentage decrease since April 2025. Market narrative included a lack of ETF inflows compared to Bitcoin, broader risk-off sentiment, and anticipation of U.S. rate cuts possibly aiding ETH in the medium term. Ethereum remains 21.63% below its all-time high, but is up 58% year-on-year. Both assets experienced greater volatility, but Bitcoin continued its strong uptrend, while Ethereum faced significant downward pressure, making cautious profit-taking reasonable for both traders and investors.